Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how you can show your past experience on the LinkedIn app when using it on your PC. With LinkedIn's recent update, the steps look a little different, so I'll guide you step by step to make sure you can easily display your work history for others to see on your profile. The first thing you want to do is open the LinkedIn app on your computer. Once you're on the home screen, look at the very top right corner. You'll notice the Me icon, which represents your profile. Go ahead and click on it. From there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and within that menu, choose the option that says View Profile. This will take you straight to your personal LinkedIn profile page. Now, on your profile page, look for the section at the top where you can make changes. You'll find an edit icon right next to the area labeled Public Profile and URL. Clicking this will open up your profile editing settings, where LinkedIn allows you to control what details are visible to others. Once you're in these settings, scroll to the part that lets you configure what appears publicly. LinkedIn recently added an option that allows you to control your visibility more clearly. Here, you'll see a toggle for past experience. By default, this might be turned off, depending on your settings. To make your previous roles visible on your profile, simply enable the past experience option. After switching this on, LinkedIn will automatically update your profile display. This ensures that anyone who views your page will be able to see your career history listed under experience, making your profile much more complete. This can really help when you're looking to grow your professional presence, as recruiters and colleagues will better understand your background. And that's it. Just a few quick steps. Open the LinkedIn app. Click on the Me icon. View your profile. Click the Edit icon by Public Profile and URL, and enable Past Experience. Thanks for watching.